Hi, I am Josh from Pursho. Simplify your GST billing process with gstBILL, the hassle-free billing software. Generate invoices in just a few clicks and enjoy automated profit calculation at the end of each month. Save time, stay organized, and save money. Join thousands of businesses already experiencing the ease of doing business with gstBILL. Start today, certainly. Here's a brief elaboration on each of the key features of gstBILL. Multi-warehouses. Manage multiple warehouses within your business, allowing you to effectively track and organize your inventory across different locations. Multi-users. Collaborate with your team by providing multiple user accounts with different access levels, ensuring efficient and secure management of your billing software. Accounting. Keep track of your financial transactions, including income and expenses, to maintain accurate and up-to-date accounting records. Quotation. Create and send professional quotations to your customers, providing detailed information about products or services and their associated costs. Customer advance payments management. Easily manage and track advance payments made by your customers, ensuring transparent and organized financial transactions. Sales and purchase, invoice and payments management. Generate invoices for sales and purchases and efficiently manage payments, ensuring smooth financial operations. Return invoice management. Handle return invoices seamlessly, allowing you to manage product returns, refunds, and adjustments with ease. Customers and suppliers management and import, CSV feature. Maintain a comprehensive database of customers and suppliers, and conveniently import data using the CSV file format. Customers and suppliers payments, bulk pay receive, management. Streamline the management of payments received from customers and payments made to suppliers, facilitating efficient financial transactions. Items and service management and import, CSV feature. Manage your inventory of items and services, including importing data using the CSV file format, making it easier to update and organize your offerings. Items. Brand and category master. Categorize your items and services based on brands and categories, enabling better organization and quick access to relevant information. Print, barcode, labels. Generate and print barcodes or labels for your products, simplifying inventory management and improving the efficiency of your sales process. Stock adjustment, entry. Adjust and update your stock levels accurately to maintain inventory integrity and keep track of any changes in your stock. Stock transfer between warehouses, in the same store. Seamlessly transfer stock between different warehouses within the same store, ensuring optimal distribution and inventory control. Expense management. Effectively manage and track your business expenses, enabling better financial planning and control. Convert quotation to invoice. Convert your quotations into invoices with ease, saving time and ensuring accurate billing for your customers. Users and users, role management and ability to assign warehouses to users. Assign specific roles and responsibilities to different users, and grant them access to specific warehouses, enhancing security and workflow management. GST tax and tax grouping. Simplify the management of GST taxes by configuring tax rates and grouping options, ensuring accurate and compliant tax calculations. Units management. Manage and track different units of measurement for your inventory items, ensuring consistency and accuracy in product measurements. Item variant management. Efficiently manage different variants of your products, such as size, color, or other customizable options, making it easier to track and fulfill customer requirements. Payment. Types master. Customize and manage different payment types accepted by your business, providing flexibility to your customers and streamlining payment processes. 14 reports. Access a variety of reports to gain insights into your business performance, including sales reports, inventory reports. Ready to streamline your business? Visit Pursho at www.Purshology.com or drop a mail at connect@Purshology.com.